Hi people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I am so excited because we are going to be unboxing something that all of you have been requesting me to have on my channel. I know in my previous videos the lighting has not been good and the sound, but today we have something that I got from two of you. So first of all, shout out to Grace Waithera Kuria and Frank D Studios. I love you guys. Thank you so much for supporting this channel with the ring light, and I know it's going to be a blessing to all of us. It comes packaged in a bag, so this is the gift I got. Woohoo! Remotes! Ooh, charger. Tripod. Can you see this? This is so cool. This is so cool. And now finally we have the ring light. Wow, can you see these people? Yes, we have this piece. Insert it on this place. You need some muscle on it. Okay, so we have this bolt then, as you can see. Sorry, we have this part, then we put it here. It's tight now, it can't move, so when I loosen it, it's able to move. Then we have this other piece. We insert it here. Then we have this piece. We have a perforation here. Okay, perfect. And you can see it's very movable. I think we're almost there. So now we need to get lit. Okay, then what are we remaining? Let's put on our phone here. Let's now get lit. Ooh. We are lit. So we have this remote, guys. See. Yes. So after I've pressed this button, it decreases the intensity of the light. So this button changes the mode of the light, the auxiliary button. Can you see? So this looks like an orangish light. This is white. It's like bluish or white, I don't know. So the button retains section and auxiliary seemingly have the same function. We are now lit, and so guys, that's how you get to set up.